Okay, so our next question, Andrea. Hello, Andrea. Is it possible to hide and show a single item of a left side menu based on a certain condition? Thanks. Okay, so yes, of course it is. Now, if I come here into Scriptcase again, and what I'm going to do is close here the form and the grid that we had just looked at. And you may notice I had moved here the menu from the security generation I created there and placed it into the root. So I did actually move that. And if I go ahead and run here the menu, I have here my clients, companies, as well as the security. Okay, and that is then the typical options that are there. And of course, right now you notice, or you may notice, if I check here in security, in the menu again, sorry, that we have all of the security options available here, but within the menu, we only have to change password and log off. And that is because I'm not logged in. I did not log in. I actually disabled on this application, security. Disabled here the security. Okay, so that's what I've done, and that is how I'm able to just run this menu now. And because I do not have the priv admin tag Y or yes, it's only displaying the change password and log off. Now, in the same sort of manner, we can also adjust all of the other applications. So here on application init, I've placed them here, but you can also place them into the onload, I believe it was, and from there you can then also delete the menu items. So here, for instance, if I go delete menu item 14 and go run, and now I no longer have the clients. And now if I go delete menu item 15 and run, I will no longer have the customers. Now you may be wondering where I get this number from, and that is from the menu itself. Excuse me. So I come here to the menu items, and I can click on any of these. And notice here the ID, item 15, item 4, item 15. Okay, so that's where I get this number from, just by creating the menu item, checking the ID, and then I can use the Scriptcase macros that are available and very quickly hide a menu item. Now, of course, you can use your if selection in between that, and then, you know, the world is your oyster. Or should I say, Scriptcase is in an oyster. It's not an oyster. Maybe it's inside of one somewhere. That's a bit silly, isn't it? Okay.